G'day folks, welcome back to Shotgun Versus. Today we're taking a look at another piece of technology, a laptop. Now the last big piece of technology we looked at, the monitor, did a really good job. It actually stopped the birdshot, and as you can see from the video, which I'll link in the description here, it took 3 rounds, still didn't puncture through it, and then even took the explosives, and there was only still a few holes. Made a hell of a boom, though. So we're going to see if a laptop holds up just as well. Now, some people were telling me that I should try doing the screen first, and if that breaks it, do the whole thing closed up. But the way I see it is, if I do the whole thing closed up like this, and it still goes through the screen, well, then we know what it goes through. And if it goes through the whole thing, then we know it absolutely would have destroyed the screen anyway. So we're going to set this up and see what happens. Alright, birdshot versus laptop. You know, I never get tired of doing this show. Let's have a look. Okay, so there's the wad that carries the shot, or at least part of it. Here's the rest of it. That's what carries the actual pellets. So that hit here and broke some of the plastic. Hang on to that later. So the shot hit here. The bulk of the shot hit in the center with a bunch of small pellets there. And then, then she kept going through, hit the keyboard and the motherboard, and punched a hole right through it.